Okay, hello everyone. Good morning. This is Zach here from XIFU. Right, just want to do a quick sound check. Okay, is my sounds coming okay? And if my screen is okay, by typing a one for me, please. Okay, by typing a one for me, please. Okay. Well, I think this morning is not a good day. Yes, even though yesterday, yes, however, this badminton's men's double, right? They won our very first medal, okay, for Malaysia for this year Paris 2024. But looks like Bursa is not reacting to it, so very bad today, okay, this morning. So again, but don't worry if you are here with me, just type a one for me, okay. I just want to know my sounds and screen is working, and we're gonna start our section today, okay. So first of all, first thing first, I'm not here to do any buy and sell call, okay. If you want to do any trades based on our discussion this morning, okay, make sure you got your own trading plan, okay. I think I share a lot of time, okay. I cannot predict 100%. Don't follow blindly. Make sure you got your own trading plan, including this morning. Also, I keep exiting for the market, even though yes, some is painful, okay, but I have to, okay. So I think I share also in the Telegram. Balakov also troubled already, so it dropped. Just now I saw rebound a bit. I don't have losses for that. Luckily, my entry is quite okay. So I decided to exit first and keep a little bit of cash. Okay, keep a little bit of cash. Okay, so including ACMO as well, it break below support with a gap. I'm not sure towards the end it will recover or not. Okay, but what I'm trying to do right now is to get back all my capital first. Okay, then we'll see how it goes. Okay, moving forward. A bit disappointing, including Opstar as well. But I think mostly kena lah. So far the one that I've checked, just do a quick check right now is I think only Go is still holding well. Tome Pokong is holding well. Okay, the rest looks like it's not that great overall. All right. So again, if you're here with me, type a one for me. Just ensure my sound screen is okay. Help me to share this out. Give me a thumbs up at least. Okay, I know it's not a good day, but just want to see some positivity over here. All right. So okay, come. Let's look into the overall sector first. Calcia indices. So again, everything is red. This morning, energy. Let's look into energy. Okay, it's not looking good on closing on Friday, but actually closing on last Friday is pretty bad. Okay, including the US market as well. Okay, lots of so-called selling happening. Okay, so gap down. If you know me, normally I don't like gap down. Okay, actually I thought that this round of so-called market pullback, right, it's going to last for at least less than a month. Okay, but looks like it's going to take a deep one already. So like I said, normally I don't like a gap down. Okay, a gap down normally representing the overall market condition is very weak. Yes, it will reverse, but it's going to probably take some time, okay, for them to do so. Okay, so my favorite lesson into technology, also same things. Okay, wow, going lower already this one. So going back to the accumulation phase lah. So again, if you are looking for something for longer term one, okay, I think this is the area that probably you want to look for some support. Okay, building around here. So let's say whenever there's gap down, no need to rush anymore. There's another reasons why I get my cash a little bit back. Okay, protect my capital first. Probably look for next round. Okay, normally drop like this, it's gonna take some time really based on what I can tell, okay, from the past experience. So if you look into here, right, so this is also previously a gap down as well with increasing volume. Okay, this area over here gapping down with increasing volume. So sometimes yes, it probably will go deeper, lower, okay, and take time. Okay, but I think that this round it won't take so long. This one is from May 2023 to so-called June 2023 before they reverse a bit. Okay, but I don't think they will take this long. Okay, because the structure actually for overall boost actually is there already. Okay, if you look into technology as well, the overall structure is there already. The accumulation phase is there already. Okay, but we need to ensure they hold well okay, above the accumulation phase. Okay, so probably this one will sideways 1 month, 2 months. Okay, then hopefully we will start to see a little bit of reversal coming back again. Okay, for the so-called most of the sectors. Okay, so any other sectors that we want me to look into, just let me know. Probably today a quick one, nothing much today. Okay, unless you got anything you want me to check, comment below. If not, I think we do a quick one. Okay, this morning here. Okay, so like I say, 1600 is very crucial, but unfortunately, a quick gap. Okay, it didn't really so-called 1600 didn't really trying to protect as well. So now the next one is 1600, which is I think very close already. Oh, now it's already 1566 already. Okay, now it's already 1566 already. Am I right? Yeah, lah, somewhere around here. Okay. 1515, sorry, this is how much? 1565 lah, the lowest 1565 lah. So let's say it goes, okay, I think 1600 lah. Sorry, this is sorry, it's not 1600 actually. It break already. 1600 lah. Sorry, 1560. Okay, next one is 1560 already lah. Okay, so almost few points away already. Hopefully we can see more hammer this more later towards the closing. Hopefully you can see more hammer. Right? It's one of the good signs to tell us that okay, probably market is still interested to hold back. Like I said, normally gap down something that I don't like even though with hammer. Okay, we need to watch her again. So probably this week not gonna do anything. Okay, until next week. Okay, unless the hammer actually hold well and close the gaps again. Okay, hello Ruku, good morning. Okay, that's for me. I'm not sure what stock I should review. Let me know any stock you are going to look into. So this morning also, there's only one fulfill the pullback criteria. But even though, like I say, it's fulfilling the pullback criteria, this is illiquid stock. I don't think you should look into it as well. Even though later on got some stock actually form pullback, I don't think you should enter also because the overall market condition, because your age is not there. Okay. So I think like last week, also last 2 weeks ago, I keep mentioning market is a bit weakening already. Okay, make sure you check your support resistance, your training plan if you want to enter. Personally, for me, I don't like to enter this kind of market condition. Okay, so if you want to enter, no, you have to follow your training plan. I'm not sure how far it will go, but based on today gap down in Bursa, potentially maybe they will go down a little bit more. Okay, potentially they go down a little bit more. Okay, so all right. Like I said, I'm not sure what to review unless you got something for me. Okay, if not a quick one, we're gonna end our section. Okay, so again, nothing from here. I don't think I got something from here. Okay, so far, like I said, it's only the gold counters is holding well. Pokong Tome. Okay, even though got gap but they are still above support. Okay, Pokong is still above support. For me, it's still fine overall. Okay, not sure because this market here due to the Iran war or not. Okay, but if we ask, maybe you want to check out the gold counters. Looks like going back to support over here. Let's say if you keen want to make sure low volume is low, close to S1, drop below S1, or maybe you can use S2. This is the time for you to really consider to charbot again, calculate your risk to reward ratio. Okay, if you're really interested to trade. Okay, any other gold related counters? So far, I think Tome and Pokong is the strongest one. Let's listen to Bowers. I haven't checked Bowers for some time. Oh, Bowers closing Friday quite good, unexpected. Okay, so Bowers, okay, trend reversal. Okay, so today, let's say still above this trend, I think still worth to look into. Okay, again, provided you want to trade this market, this market is crazy one. So personally, I don't want it. I'd rather keep some cash. Then we look for the next opportunity. So oil and gas counters, oil and G counter looks like also not really good also. Mostly gap down. Today, a lot of gap down. Like I said, I don't really like gap down. Charimin, okay, it's bad. Okay, so Hibiscus. Hibiscus also a small gap down over here. I don't really like that. Okay, so well, I think that's for today. Okay, if let's say later on towards the 3 or 4 p.m. The market form loss of hammer. Okay, I will probably give alerts to the telegrams. Okay, but again, don't rush to enter yet because hammer sometimes is hammer because of the oversold people buying back, but doesn't mean it's ready to poops goes up back. Okay, so few things I will look into. Of course, I prefer close gap to happen. Okay, to ensure that there is still so-called a hope lah. Okay, they will form certain support. Okay, so Lawrence say, okay, for now look and see, study market sentiment. Yes, correct. Okay, now just you want to check out, okay, which is the so-called sectors. Okay, the best, not to say the best sectors, but overall market sentiment. But now this kind of sentiment, everything drop. Okay, but just that it's a good time, okay, for us to pay attention, which is the next so-called the upcoming so-called sectors to look into. Okay, I think if let's say you have attended my this XIFU Members Day together with so-called Mr. J.K. Kang the other day, he talked about the direction for data center market structure, including market structure. Okay, something that is worth to look into, because you see, data center is a big topic. Okay, it's a big, consists of lots of companies, sectors involved. Okay, we got constructions lah, we got properties lah, we got technology also. But if you look into construction property, okay, actually they're already in the big uptrend. I think including JK the other day during our members talk, he's told us that okay, this one is potentially going into distribution phase already. Okay, you can check that out using MA and 300 MA. Okay, you can check that out. Okay, there are a few ways to look into it lah. So I probably will arrange another one in September. If you're interested to learn about market structure by looking into a chart, you can join us. Okay, in September I will share with you the details once confirmed. Okay, now property as well. If you look into property, also in the nice right uptrend already. So most of the time, you know, if let's say you chase at the high, probably now this is the time that you're gonna. So this is the reason why I still favor. Okay, not to say it's definitely 100% is correct, but I still kind of like overall for technology, because looks like they are still in very close to accumulation. Yes, drop badly lah. Everything dropped badly, but just that this is a few things that this is the things that I look into in terms of risk to reward ratio. Okay, so I'm not sure, maybe this big drop will take another 1 month, 2 months, but later on, okay, probably they'll have another bull run again, like what we see last month, right? Since I think like January until June, it's a good month for us. Okay, 6 month good months for us. Okay, so hopefully the next one, the leading sector probably is technology. Okay, so this is a few things that like Lawrence said, study the overall sectors, the sentiment, then we aim based on here. All right. Okay, I think again, like I said, I don't got nothing to share. Okay, let me know any story you want me to look into. Probably 1 or 2 more minutes. Okay, all big player trouble. Yes, maybe potentially also all big player trouble. So we have to wait for the next round. Okay, so protect your capital. Okay, this is what I do this morning. Yes, painful. Some got profit already. Suddenly pop. Apa pun tak ada, you hold for a few months, apa pun tak ada, but it's okay lah. This is stock market lah. You cannot win every time. You cannot win every month. As long as your capital is still there, okay, I think still fine lah overall. Okay, what is the tech support line? Okay, tech support line for me the best one, right? Okay, let's look into here lah. We look into weekly chart dulu. Okay, so for me best one. Okay, so somewhere around here. 67. Okay, 67. Okay, which is I think right now is touching. Okay, drop a little bit below lah. We zoom in again. So here gum at 40 MA also. Okay, so of course I hope here bounce. Okay, maybe a hammer or something. Okay, then slowly closing the gap lah, around 70 lah. So this is something that I hope I can see. Okay, moving forward for tech sectors. All right. Okay, so here still got some potential for me, 200s. Okay, so this is like a accumulation phase for me already. Okay, breaking up. Okay, hopefully next round it can go into the main resistance. Okay, so the other one, I think just now one of my colleague asked me. Okay, because he also buy stock by Hitachi last 2 weeks dropped a lot . So but SMRT I think still worth to look into lah. But I haven't checked this morning lah, the chart. Okay, something that I think if let's say they make a nice pullback, something that I think is worth to pay attention to as well. Okay, so if you look into here, okay, again I'm using weekly chart. It's easy to read in this case. Okay, they actually have been in this so-called sideways accumulation for some time already. Okay, so this is also for me like a reaccumulation, a bit similar to VCP. Okay, if you look into here, a bit similar to VCP. Okay, so maybe here breakout. Now, potentially now it's heading to the first pullback. Okay, potentially now it's heading to a first pullback already. So this is something that maybe the next one I'll focus also. Very close to reaccumulation or accumulation. Okay, they are doing a pullback sideways. Okay, just mind. Okay, main focus sectors. Okay, tech or pro. Okay, now again, if you ask me, I would say tech lah. I would say tech lah. Again, but of course, depending on your strategy. Wow, this one closing back. Looks not bad. Okay, but again, depending on strategy, if you are those that who want to buy short term, few days you trouble one, I think okay lah, you focus on the trending sectors. But for me, if let's say looking for mid to long term one, I definitely look into tech because tech, like I say, they are still very close in overall accumulation phase. All right. Risk is lower, reward is higher. So maybe I will start to focus again into this few one. Okay. Now if you look into construction and property, okay, they already jalan a lot already lah. So of course here is somewhere around the beginning of the last year lah. So if you look into this round of reaccumulation, this is a bit similar SMRT. Just I show you the SMRT chart. Okay, reaccumulation. Breaking up already. This one is jalan banyak already. So again, not sure whether it will have this kind of right or not. Okay, so that's why I prefer more on technology right now. I'm looking for the whole 2024. 2024, it's a bit difficult because now it's like more than half of the 2024 already. Of course, the one jalan really jalan, like for example, construction property right now. Okay, construction property. Of course, we have to see the reversal. But if you ask me right now, I still prefer on technology. Okay, based on risk to ratio. Okay, so now if let's say look into transportation. Okay, then hover on this support as well. Okay, we're gonna check that out maybe after this week. Okay, maybe after this week, probably we look into that again. Okay, momentum was definitely construction and property lah. Okay, that's for sure. Okay, so plantation also very quiet. Okay, plantation few years also quiet already lah. Okay, one of the least sector actually I'll look into plantation because plantations quiet can be very quiet one. This one. Okay, so financial services. Okay, slow and steady. Okay, slow and steady. This one still looks okay. Yeah lah. The rest still semua kena lah. Transportation, logistic. Just nothing we check already, right? Telecommunication. Okay, this one still also in accumulation phase. This one close gap, maybe we can look into also. All right. Notion rebound strongly. Okay, maybe check one. It's a good time to watch out for hammer. Okay, but again, hammer have to see where is the hammer. Wow, really? Okay, mungkin hari ni cuci day lah. Okay, still closing back to S2. Okay, still going. But this one I think is okay because this one don't have a big gap. Okay, it's gap down small gap lah. Unlike those like big gap down, the one I don't like it. But this one, let's say still close above the support, the S2. Maybe this one still pretty good to look into. Okay, I think the other one is more of the stock I'm still holding is Grand Hill. I think Grand Hill also didn't make a big gap also. This one's still okay. Those like Agmore, Opstar, I trouble already. Big gap. I don't like it. So this one still okay. This morning I saw it. Okay, hopefully also it closed with a strong hammer as well. Okay, I think with this, nothing much today. Quick one. If let's say market's getting better, hopefully we see lots of so-called hammer today. Okay, so tomorrow probably we'll continue to look out. Okay, some of the stock that we have. Okay, so again, if you like my section here on daily basis, make sure you give me a thumbs up. Help me to share this out. Do follow us in Telegram. From time to time, if let's say got anything interesting, we will share in the Telegram as well. So with this, thank you, and I'll see you tomorrow sections.